Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler and welcome back to the channel. So basically guys, today I will show you a great product. I will make a honest review about the OrangeSuite, which is a hosting product, can help you to host a limited website with a low price possible. Without any further, let's get started. So first of all, the OrangeSuite is a cloud storage and a high-speed video storage for one-time price, no monthly fees, and make money at the same time. OrangeSuite replaces your web host Dropbox and Vimeo, which pay you with their included commercial license. If you are like most people, you got your files stored somewhere like Dropbox and your websites hosted somewhere like HostGator or Bluehost, and you are hosting your videos on Wistia or Vimeo. That's great, but there is a dark side. The monthly fees you have to pay month after month. You are handing up to $20 over to Dropbox, $40 a month to Vimeo for your video hosting, and maybe $30 a month for HostGator or a web host. But with OrangeSuite, no monthly payments. That's right, there is only a single low payment, and you may think that is the best part, but is it not? You can even make money with your OrangeSuite account with their included commercial license. To make it better, you pay once and enjoy a lifetime access. So basically guys, this is the product page. Get a limited hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage for one low price, no endless monthly fees, and and make money at the same time. OrangeSuite replace your web host Dropbox and Vimeo while paying you with our included commercial license. So basically this is some features of the OrangeSuite: website hosting, cloud storage, and high-speed video storage for one low price, and you make money at the same time. Store and deliver any type of file, video, PDF, images, documents, audios, anything. Unlimited viral traffic and leads from file sharing pages. Host all your videos in one spot. Backup and store unlimited files, no limits. High-speed videos embed for any website or web page. Deliver files at lightning speed or fast CDNs. And like you see guys, the sales page have a lot of features and informations about this product. And like you see, this is the HostGator, the Google Drive, and the Vimeo, which is very expensive. And you can scroll all the sales page and see more features and informations about this wonderful product. And like you see guys here, the Cloudways cost $2,000 a year, HostGator $5,000, SiteGround $4,000, and more and more. Also guys, OrangeSuite gives you everything you need to manage your business very well. For example, 250 GB of storage and hosting, unlimited sharing, file preview, drag and drop, end-to-end encryption, smart auto 30-day backup, store, deliver, and share any type of file, lightning speed within fast CDNs, fast image load, simple dashboard, full stats, and commercial license included. But this is not the best part. The best part, which is this fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1, get full access to an entire back catalog of over $10,000 worth of done for your money-making affiliate campaigns. Bonus number 2, new viral traffic hacking software for $497 value. Bonus number 3, commercial price resale license to VidCraft value $497. Bonus number 4, Google Bing email extractor, extract email and phones from Bing and Google search for and pitch your service or sell products, worth $1,997. Also, you will get this one-time special launch bonuses. Bonus number 1, traffic mage cloud app. Bonus number 2, full and structured access to their brand new custom-made video chat web app. Bonus number 3, full and structured access to their brand new YouTube analytics bundle of tools. So basically guys, you will get the Orange Host, unlimited website hosting, Orange Box, unlimited file and video storage, Orange Video, unlimited video hosting, sharing and marketing, commercial license, make money from OrangeSuite, fast action bonuses, all the mentioned bonuses I just already shown you before. The price of all this is just $14, one-time pay, no monthly fees. And look guys, at the price of all this is more than $4,000. Thank you so much for watching this video about the OrangeSuite. I really hope it did help you to buy in or make a decisions about this product. This software is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Take action now and don't miss up. That's it guys for the OrangeSuite review for today. I wish you benefit. If so, please give this video a like. Also, don't forget to smash the red button below and see you on the next review.